Need to release or sell a player in eFootball PC? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to release or sell a player in eFootball step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the eFootball game. Then, click on My Team. After that, click on Players. Now, click the player you want to release. Then, press X to player action. After that, click on Release option below. Here, a confirmation screen will show you exactly how much GP and how many XP tokens you will receive, like 10,000, 4,000, or 1,000 XP. Then click Release to confirm. But if you want to release multiple players at once, then go back to Player screen, press X option, then click on Selection View. Now, click on the players you want to release. After that, press Y to player action. Then, click on Release. Here, you will see how much GP and EXP you will get. After that, click on Release option below to confirm. And there you have it. This is how you release or sell a player in eFootball PC. Thanks for tuning in. See you in another video.